Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add a thumbnail in Facebook video. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for facebook.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. As you know that there is no thumbnail feature on the official Facebook website. So in order to do that, go to the Meta Business Suite website and create a new account if you don't have one. After that, click on the Create Post button at the top and select the video to which you would like to add a thumbnail. Then scroll down a bit. In the thumbnail section, you can select Suggested Frame or just upload an image. Click on Upload and add the thumbnail you prefer. Then click on Next and on the final page, select Share in order to upload it on your account. And that's how you can add a thumbnail in Facebook video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.